Okay, so here, give me a second. We got an onion. I got it from a Subway sandwich. Let's see, am I getting closer or further? Closer. Oh, that's kind of nasty. Like, ugh. Give me a second. It's very slimy, even though it's not actually. Well, it's old. It was a couple days old, but yeah, yeah, it's very just. Yeah, it's a one of those purple-looking onions. I don't know what it's actually referred to as, but it's purple on the outside. Definitely a lot soggier looking than it was before. What the? What the heck? I'm not entirely sure what to say about that. What is that? Like seeds? Wait, onions. They're vegetables, correct? I don't know. Anyway, what is that? Like seriously, I'm not sure how to respond to this. It's a whole bunch of black dots on the outside of an onion. But yeah, so yeah, that part you were seeing was bread. But yeah, it's kind of strange because the inside of the onion looks how I thought it would. It's kind of slimy and white. But the outside, no, I thought it'd be like kind of same but purple, or maybe a little bit drier looking but purple. No. Um. Yeah, I don't. Yeah, whatever. It's just kind of. I'm just lost. What the heck is going on there? If you know what that is, please post it in the comments, because I am real curious. Yeah. Honestly, yeah, just please, if you know what it is, please tell me. Okay, so here, once I, give me yeah, it's a rock. Again, I just like looking at rocks because they're all different, and I'm related to a couple, people who are interested in geology, and I'm related to a mining engineer. Yeah, it's something about my family is just rocks. Even though they're on different sides of the family, so it's not even, they didn't even know each other when they, it doesn't matter. Anywho, ouch. Yeah, so here's one section, but then if you go over here, not over there, here, and if I can get it in focus, here's a section where it's all red and cool, because the other section was brown. But here's kind of red, and, I'm not going to go into this whole lot of detail, because if you know enough about it, you're going to understand what this is. If you don't know enough about it, all going into high detail about it will just be annoying. Um. Okay. Anyway. Okay, let's check. Is there anything else? Yep. Then here, it's kind of similar to the other side, but it's flatter. You're looking at an incline right now, which is why half of it's in focus, the other half isn't. Well, not even half. Anyway, but yeah, it's kind of an incline, but it's flat because it's just the shape of the rock making an incline. In reality, it's flat. But one of the cool things, please tell me I didn't get that on my hand. Okay, good, we're safe. Cool things, I don't know, I'm guessing this is tar. Either that or it's some crazy alien blood. It's tar. I need to make sure I do not touch this with the actual microscope, because that's basically, if I do that, that's $250 paperweight. That's not the actual price of the microscope. I don't know what the actual price was. It was a gift. But you get what I'm saying. Anyway, tar on it. I don't know how the tar got on there, but it's been wet for like a year, so I'm guessing it's tar. You know? Because I don't think anything else would stay that way that long. You know? But yeah, tar. It's pretty cool. And yeah, it's random rock. I might come back to this one later, but it's a really, really large rubber insulated wire. It's red, but it's been outside, so it's an off shade of red. Like, looks the color of the red section looks better there than it does normally. But yeah, it's just that. I don't. Is it actually a wire? Or did I misunderstand what it was? Because now that I look at the end, it has a sort of a... That's... Okay, just try to picture this in your head, because I can't show you it. You know those things that are circular? But it has like a little screw thing in it, and then you tighten it, it closes up a bit so that you can wrap around something. Sort of like that. And then at the other end, it has what looks like the soda cans. You know how they have that opener thing? Yeah, that's what it looks like on the other side. Then we got this sticking out of it, which led me to believe wire. Because it's like a little cap with a black thing that looks like an actual normal wire. You know? Because, yeah, that's the cap to it, and then right here, if I can... well, that certainly doesn't look the same. Oh, now it kind of does. You can see the dirt there, but that's the black part of the wire. Because, yeah. Then over here's the metal part that I was talking about that closes. See? It's metal. Got rust right... Let's move this over. Rust right here, if I can... It's really hard to maneuver this around. You see? Oh, that's cool looking. Anyway, it's kind of it keeps its own shape, so it's really hard to work with. Now I'm not gonna be able to show you that section. But yeah, if I saw this correctly, that is a red wire thing. Okay, so here, darn it, don't do this. Sorry, it's the thing. Here, if I can get it in focus, got some rusty pliers. Ugh. Anyway, so yeah, this is pretty cool because there's just a solid rusty color, not because I know a lot of things are kind of, what's the term I'm thinking of? Like it's really rusty here, not so much here. It is, yeah, it's just sort of patchy. These ones, if you move it around, it's just overall it stays at the same level, which is pretty cool. A little less interesting to look at, but it's interesting to think about. Cause yeah, what was I saying? Right. Anyway, yeah, cause it's just kind of interesting how it's entirely rusted instead of just like how it's consistent, because you don't see much that's consistent nowadays. That's not a nowadays thing. In general, you don't see much that's natural and consistent. See, right here it's a bit different. That's the end of the pliers. That's where it it's basically where it starts curving forward, and that's the part you yeah, if you're cutting something or if you're squishing something, that's the part you use. It's the edge of it, though. Yeah, because basically, you know what I'm talking about, the end of pliers, because, well, yeah, I'm not very, my brain isn't braining today. Anyway, let's check something. Anyway, but yeah, this is, the thing, and, yeah, anyway, this is pliers. It's kind of